Hey everybody. I don't know if I haven't posted the video yet, but I just installed the new shocks and shock towers I got from Amazon. So I'll have the link for those in the description, but I'll show you the rear idea. So there's the big shocks there, and 100 mil. I believe they're Benedict Henry, I think is what they're called, and then the aluminum shock towers. And there was no issues up front with lining up the body holes, so that was good. But I thought I'd give it a quick try. It's of course raining here in Victoria, BC. It loves to rain on the Vancouver Island. But I'm at this little rock area by a store that I'm going to, that I need to go grab some garbage bags and maybe some Mr. Noodle packs, cups, bowls, whatever you call them, and a few other things. But I thought I'd do a run here to show you guys how well the suspension works. Let's do a quick test run. So hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks everybody. Remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Help me out. Hit that little bell, reminds you every time I come up with a video. I'm like, oh hey, he's got a video. Let's watch this fucking But anyway, thanks everybody. Have a good one. So I realized that was not the most eventful video. And I also just came to the realization that I forgot to zero out my servo, and I think my horn might be getting stripped. I still have the plastic horn on there with the metal insert. I wanted to see how long I could get it. I will have to get a better servo horn, or a servo at some point, but the old tactic's still kicking along. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that short little video, and I'll have something a lot better over the next few days. Have a good one, guys. See you later.